Let's get started with foundation. We're going to be talking about how these two partner spectacularly together. The antioxidant liquid foundation plus our pure mineral foundation powders. They can be worn separately, but they were designed to work together. They are the same formula with slight difference because one is a liquid and one is a powder. And that makes them work really well. So if you just want to try, get a little extra zzz in your makeup look, this would be something good to play with. So let's do this. So for a polished, long-wearing makeup look, these two are going to be great for you. Right now, I have on lashes, brow, fair concealer, and lip liner. I was trying to think through what I had done. So just the basics. First thing I'm going to do is apply the liquid antioxidant foundation. I'm going to be using Neutral 2 in this. I could use Neutral 2 in the powder because you can match them up perfectly, but I'm going to be using Selena Nadine today. So you see, you can also mix and match your shades to create a new shade that's just right for you. You can get this customized to match the foundation shade that you're using in Simple Beauty Minerals, or you can easily select a shade, a do-it-for-you shade that's already there on the website. I believe we have 8 shades and you can just hit add it to cart, or you choose the customized formula. We have 2 options, and tell me exactly what shade you want. I also want you to know when this arrives to your door, it comes locked. It's tightened very, very well so that it's for shipping, right? So that it stays secure. When you get it home, you want to unlock it. So as you can see, the spout right there is not lining up right here. That's what you want it to do. It will not open. You cannot get any of the foundation out with the way it's lined up right now. So here's what you do. When you get it home safely, you just open it a little, twist it a little, and then you can push this nozzle over to access the foundation. I've squirted a little bit out on my hand. That's all I might need. And I'm just going to use my fingers. I find fingers are a good tool, and I'm going to spread it out a little, and you can add another layer for extra coverage if you would like, or you can just use the one. You get to decide. You can also smooth it out with the foundation airbrush. Let's do a little bit more. And I want to make sure to get my lips for extra sunscreen coverage. And on the jawline. I'm ready for powder. I have the powder tapped into the lid of my jar. I can either use my foundation airbrush again, or I could use the blush brush, which is a nice kabuki style head. Let's go with the blush brush, the mini kabuki. Now I'm just going to begin with where I want the most coverage, which for me is in this middle section. Wherever that is for you, that's where you would begin. Make sure you get your lips, and you're just going to buff it out. You could do, again, 1 layer or 2, depending on what you want. And you're done. Now from here, you could add some Bright Eyes Pink to brighten up. You could add a little bit of Illuminator, Satin Sheen, or Bliss to highlight and give a glow, more of a glow. You would add your cheek color, your lips, your eyes, you would further on. But that's it for today. I just wanted to show you how those two work together and why they work so well together. How you can find your foundation shade, just go to simplebeautyminerals.com. At the footer of the site is Foundation Finder. Take that. It's a quick 2 to 3 question survey, if you will. It will help you narrow down your foundation choices. Once you get those, just DM me, message me, email me, carrier pigeon, and we can further figure out what your foundation shades are.